ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ, ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ. Hello listeners, this is your RJ Chandana and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defense, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingales Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha and Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated an elder line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 am to 8 pm for any questions, queries and support to elderly. Today we have Mr. Devarajan, who lives in an old age home, wants to talk about the sweetness of jaggery. Devarajan sir, thank you so much for your volunteering spirit. Over to you.
I am Anubhav-Devarajan, speaking today on the sweet subject of jaggery. I hope it will create saliva in everybody's mouth. Okay, as everybody knows, jaggery is something taken out of sugarcane. In my younger days, we were waiting to go out to enjoy the experience. I mean, after especially school holidays, it is very entertaining to go for such picnics. Then sugarcane is grown in large quantities, large areas. It was the method used to prepare jaggery properly and of sugarcane juice properly. Much of the sugarcane is cultivated will go to sugar factories actually to manufacture cane crystal sugar, which we use for coffee and other things. Then during the period of it was the practice to establish a cane crushing unit, small units, They could put up a thatched hut in the villages where very near the area where the cane sugar is grown, big enough to accommodate the crushing machine, a big cauldron to hold gallons of sugar juice. A big sized oven is also put up to heat the cane juice. Big oven is also put up. Professionals know when the cane sugar has cooked properly and the stage at which they could be taken up for making them into small blocks or small pellets like that. At that stage, it has that stage has come that heating should be stopped and the contents will become solids side by side. So side by side, they would have made different sized receptacles, different shaped receptacles, so that the liquid, semi-liquid sugar mixture could be poured into them in the same semi-solid condition and could stop. Yeah, the contents after sufficient cooling will be made into different sizes like small balls and on a mat and to cool by itself. And, some small balls and put on a mat on or cloth spread out and allowed to cool itself. The semi-solid condition will gradually become solid and they will be ready for use. And then they will also put up small square crucibles, square shaped crucibles, so that the semi-liquid juice also is put into them, so that when cooled, beautifully sized jaggery pellets will come out. Normally this will be of smaller size, and when the quantity is more, they will be put into bigger vessels like buckets. So, then, before this is done, a larger pit like square is made on the ground, so that the whole cauldron of semi-solid will be poured into them, and they will be stirred for some time, so that it would cool down and they will be ready for making them into shapes. And that will be stirred for some time, I told you. So they will be allowed to in different shapes. Then they have to make bigger quantities of jaggery, bigger utensils like bucket, etc. size will be used. They are called pentas, bigger jaggery molds. The semi-solid, after a few minutes, they will be taken out and disposed of. It depends on the necessity to dispose it of in the market for sale in those shapes. There is an element of charity also in this whole process. It is whoever visits the alemane, as it is called, alemane, any visitors that come, they'll be offered a small quantity of jaggery to be eaten then and there itself. They cannot carry it home or sell it or any such thing. That is an act of charity. It is given free to them. The serving will be free if free of charge. I told you they are allowed to eat and the same amount there only. They cannot take it home or sell it. It is an act of charity. When I was a young boy and had gone to my grandfather, they had lot of shale fields and they had put up an alemane. We 2-3 people went there just to enjoy the holiday season. My grandfather would be there supervising the whole thing. Our family members also would be there. They would visit the spot. Hit the spot. Our family members would celebrate the occasion by cooking for some different foods there itself on the spot, so that everybody will have a picnic party at the alemane. We 3 or 4 people would visit from the family to the alemane from our home to just to spend the holidays, a part of the holidays. And cooked food will be there for all of us. And we young fellows would like short taste also. That would be scarce and coming. When some are supplied, my older people like grandfather, etc., they would be eating them. And we were just only onlookers, and we were enticed to ask, to demand more and more, and received chastisings from them. Though children are fond of short age, they were not actually liberal in giving it. When the demand is more, we would get some harsh treatment. To get some harsh treatment. The journey will take 3 to 4 days, and we will enjoy because of this. We would enjoy because of the location, journey, etc. It would take 3 to 4 days. And I think any repetition of such outings each year would always be very much welcome for us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Devarajan sir, for such lovely talk. Listeners, I hope you too enjoy the program today. Stay tuned to Hiriyara Vani for more such programs. Government of India has initiated Elderline toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.